30 days ago, I felt sluggish. My skin was breaking out, and I hit a wall every afternoon. Most people hunt for complex health hacks, but I decided to try something super simple, adding lemons to my daily routine for a month. What happened next wasn't just surprising, it totally changed how I approached my well-being. In this video, I'll share the exact daily routine that completely flipped my energy, cleared up my skin, and even helped with digestion, plus the one unexpected change that actually blew my mind. You'll leave here with a simple, budget-friendly plan to feel these changes in your own body without any complicated diets. And trust me, you do not want to miss the common mistake everyone makes with lemons that actually undoes all the good. We're constantly bombarded with expensive superfoods and complicated detoxes that promise the world, but often leave us feeling poorer and just as tired. Many of us overlook the simplest, most accessible tools in our own kitchens. The real problem isn't a lack of desire to feel better. It's believing that health has to be hard, inaccessible, or involve a secret ingredient you can't pronounce. We often try a new habit for a few days, don't see instant results, and then quit, missing out on the cumulative power of consistency. I know I used to do this all the time, chasing the next big thing instead of focusing on the small daily wins that actually add up. So let's get into the first, and arguably most important, change I made: starting my day with warm lemon water. Why does it work? Well, it's like a gentle wake-up call for your insides. It kickstarts digestion, hydrates your body after a long sleep, and gives you a potent dose of vitamin C and antioxidants right off the bat. Plus, it gently stimulates bile production, which is key for absorbing nutrients. How do you do it? Super simple. Juice half a fresh lemon into 8 to 10 ounces of warm, and I stress warm, not hot, filtered water. Drink it 15 to 30 minutes before your first meal. For me, after just a week, I noticed my notorious morning bloat was significantly reduced, and I felt more awake before I even thought about reaching for coffee. The common mistake here? Using cold water, which can be a bit of a shock to your digestive system, or forgetting to rinse your mouth afterward. That last part is really important for your teeth. But the biggest shock wasn't just how I felt in the mornings. Wait till you hear about my skin. Next up, don't waste the zest. This is something I totally overlooked before. Why should you use it? Lemon zest is absolutely packed with essential oils and compounds like d-limonene. These are linked to powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits, and often contain even more nutrients than the juice itself, without all the acidity. How do you use it? Finely grate the zest of a washed lemon over salads, roasted vegetables, grilled fish, or even into your oatmeal. A microplane zester makes this incredibly easy. I started adding a sprinkle of zest to my evening salad, and it added an extra layer of fresh, bright flavor that made my healthy meals so much more exciting. The common mistake? Only using the juice and tossing that nutrient-rich peel straight into the trash. You're literally throwing away goodness. Now, let's talk about enhancing your meals. Use lemon juice as a natural dressing or marinade. Why? Lemon juice does double duty. It tenderizes meats and vegetables while adding a bright, acidic punch that really enhances natural flavors. This means you can cut back on heavy sauces or excessive salt. It's also a great natural preservative. How to do it? Just whisk fresh lemon juice with a good olive oil, a pinch of salt, and your favorite herbs for a simple vinaigrette. Or use it to marinate chicken or fish for at least 30 minutes before cooking. My weekly meal prep chicken never tasted better, and it felt so much lighter. Plus, I was totally avoiding those store-bought dressings with all their hidden sugars and weird ingredients. If you're already thinking about trying this, hit that like button and subscribe. We're just scratching the surface of how simple changes can make a huge difference, and you don't want to miss what's coming next. Moving on to consistent hydration. This is a game changer. Hydrate smartly with lemon water throughout the day. Why is this so effective? It encourages consistent hydration, which is absolutely crucial for maintaining energy levels, keeping your skin healthy, and boosting your metabolism. The subtle, refreshing flavor just makes plain water so much more appealing. How to do it? Keep a pitcher of water with lemon slices and maybe some cucumber or mint if you're feeling fancy in your fridge. Just sip on it between meals. Before this experiment, I barely drank plain water. But with those lemon slices, I was easily hitting my hydration goals, and those frustrating afternoon energy dips became way less frequent. The common mistake here is adding too much lemon, making it overly acidic for all-day sipping. Dilution is definitely key here. Here's a clever trick for those with a sweet tooth. Use lemon to cut sweetness in desserts. Why does this work wonders? The tartness of lemon can beautifully balance and brighten sweet flavors, which means you can actually use less sugar in your recipes while still achieving a delightful taste profile. How to do it? Add a squeeze of lemon juice or a pinch of zest to fruit salads, berry compotes, or even your homemade muffins. My homemade overnight oats suddenly tasted so much more vibrant with a little lemon zest, and I naturally found myself cutting back on the honey or maple syrup I'd usually add. It was a subtle change, but surprisingly impactful on my sugar cravings. This next tip is absolutely non-negotiable for dental health. Always rinse your mouth after lemon consumption. Why is this so crucial? Lemon juice is acidic, and over time, that acidity can erode your tooth enamel. Rinsing with plain water immediately afterward helps to neutralize the acid and protect your precious teeth. How to do it? After you've had your morning lemon water or eaten something with a lot of lemon, just take a quick swig of plain water and swish it around before swallowing or spitting. And here's another key point. Wait at least 30 minutes before brushing your teeth. This became a really important automatic part of my morning routine. Protecting my teeth was just as important as all the other body benefits I was experiencing. The common mistake? Brushing immediately after, which can actually exacerbate enamel erosion, making things worse. Moving on, did you know lemon can boost your iron absorption? Pair lemon with iron-rich foods. Why is this a smart move? The vitamin C in lemons significantly enhances the absorption of non-heme iron. That's the kind of iron you get from plant sources. This is super crucial for energy levels and helping to prevent anemia. How to do it? Simply squeeze lemon juice over spinach, lentils, beans, or even fortified cereals. As someone who sometimes struggles with low energy, adding a squeeze of fresh lemon to my lentil salads felt like such an easy, smart boost. It's a simple hack that makes your healthy eating even more effective. And here's a big one, especially heading into colder months. Incorporate lemon into your immunity routine. Why? The high vitamin C content in lemons is a powerful antioxidant that really supports your immune system, helping to ward off those annoying colds and flu bugs. How can you do it? You could make a simple immunity shot with lemon juice, ginger, and a pinch of cayenne pepper, or just ensure you're getting consistent daily lemon intake through your water and meals. During my 30 days, despite being around sick colleagues and friends, I somehow managed to dodge the usual sniffles that always seem to get me. Coincidence? Maybe, but I'm definitely sticking with it. The cumulative effect of that daily vitamin C really felt like it made a difference. Speaking of unexpected benefits, you're not going to believe the shift I felt in my mood and mental clarity during this challenge. If you're feeling that surge of motivation right now, let me know in the comments what your first lemon change will be. And if this video is helping you rethink your health, hit subscribe so you don't miss more simple, powerful tips like these. Now, while lemons are incredibly beneficial, it's really important to remember that everyone's body is different. So, tip 9 is, listen to your body and adjust. Why this matters? Some people might be more sensitive to acidity than others. Paying attention to how you feel helps prevent discomfort and ensures that any changes you make are sustainable for you. How to do it? If you ever experience any acid reflux or stomach upset, simply reduce the amount of lemon you're using or dilute it more. If you feel great, keep going. On a couple of days when my stomach felt a bit off early on, I just halved my morning lemon dose, and everything was perfectly fine. It's not about perfection, but about finding consistency that truly works for your unique body. Finally, and this might be the most crucial tip of all, consistency is your secret weapon. The 30 days aspect of my journey really highlights that the benefits accumulate over time. Small, consistent actions are what lead to significant, lasting changes, not one-off heroic efforts. How do you achieve this consistency? Don't aim for perfection every single day. Just focus on making lemons a regular, almost automatic part of your diet. Set a simple reminder on your phone if you need to, especially in the beginning. The first week was definitely a conscious effort for me. But by week 3, making my warm lemon water was as automatic as brushing my teeth. And that's exactly when I felt the bigger, more profound changes really start to kick in. It became second nature. If you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss more simple shifts like this that can transform your daily health. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus tip that's more about zero-waste living than internal health, but it's too good not to share. Don't forget the lemon peels for cleaning. Why it works? While not for consumption, those peels still contain powerful essential oils and citric acid, making them natural disinfectants and deodorizers around your home. It's a fantastic zero-waste hack that extends the lemon's utility far beyond just your body. How to do it? You can simmer lemon peels in water on your stove for a natural air freshener that smells amazing, or soak them in vinegar for a DIY all-purpose cleaner that works wonders on surfaces. It's an easy way to get the absolute most out of every single lemon. Okay, so you've got all these tips. Here's your simple 1 to 2, 3 action plan to start feeling these changes today. 1. Buy lemons. Next time you're at the grocery store, grab a bag of fresh lemons. 2. Morning ritual. Tomorrow morning, commit to starting your day with that warm lemon water. 3. Zest it up. Find just one meal, maybe your dinner salad or your morning oatmeal, to add some fresh lemon zest to. That's it. Start small. My 30-day lemon experiment wasn't about finding a miracle cure or some crazy detox. It was about consistently adding a simple, natural powerhouse to my daily life. The changes I experienced, clearer skin, more consistent energy, significantly better digestion, and even a subtle but noticeable mood lift, were absolutely undeniable. It really goes to show you don't need complex, expensive routines to feel better and improve your well-being. Sometimes, the simplest, most consistent habits are the ones that truly change your body from the inside out. So, take that first step. Start with just tip number 1 today. And honestly, see what 30 days of incorporating lemons can do for your body. I bet you'll be surprised.